When it comes to your interface, you'll often find that you don't have room for everything that you'd like to have on it. So for example here, if I wanted to add more buttons to the bottom of this, it can be difficult to do that, and sometimes icons will even disappear under here. To access this area, if you hover over any of the gray area on this, you can actually see if you hold down Control and click, you can actually move that up or down. So if you are missing an icon down here, feel free to just use that to move it up or down. Another trick is to actually change the size of the interface items themselves. So this depends on your eyesight, of course. Like if you go to Preferences and you go to Interface and go to Button Size and then type in maybe 44, for example, the next time you start ZBrush, it will look different, and you can see how much space we have here versus the next time we start. So I'll just restart now. And as you can see here, we have more space, the icons are smaller, the text is smaller, everything is that little bit smaller. Obviously there are limits to this. I think anything, if you start going below 40, you're going to struggle. But this is a great way, if you have a small screen and you want to maximize the amount of space, you can get a lot of it back by just reducing the size of all this. Hope this helps. And don't forget to subscribe if you find these tips useful.